Hi, teacher and college. My name is Luis Fernando Laguna. My group is the number 38. My approach is the competency based assessment. Okay, and definition. This and definition. The competency based assessment is an educational process that assesses the student ability to apply knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values in a specific situation that are relevant to their academic, professional, and personal development. It focuses on determining whether the student can use their knowledge effectively and anonymously in real or simulate context. In this way, that the methodology seek to assess whether the student can solve problems, make decisions, and perform effectively in various contexts. Borner's contribution to the evolution of the use of skills in teaching and assessment is evident. It is acting, in fact, where we can observe the use that the subject makes of the knowledge and skills. He poses to solve problems, produce are the key. Okay, and in the objectives or purpose. This is the primary objective of competency based assessment is to determine whether an individual has acquired the skills, knowledge, and attitudes necessary to perform effectively in tasks or context. In the other words, it is intended to evaluate whether the student or professional can apply when he or she has learned in a real situation and by focusing on the ability to apply knowledge in diverse circumstances, deeper and more mechanical learning is encouraged. This also encourages students to be a normal professional and to the continue developing their skills through life. Students are provided with the data and information about the strengths and the areas for improvement, enabling them to adjust their learning and continuously strengthen their skills. It is designed to make learning relevant and useful, ensuring that what is taught and assessment in practical and applicable in various contexts, be focusing our ability to demonstrate skills. This type of assessment can minimize the emphasis on memorization and traditional tests. Which can sometimes disadvantage certain groups of students in the objectives. Okay, the importance. Uh, the competency-based assessment is a fundamental in the educational field as it focuses on assessing a student ability to apply that they have learning in everyday situation. This is especially important in a world of work that values the ability to solve the problems, make informed decision, and they work effectively. When assessing competences, not only knowledge is assessed, but also practical skill, attitudes, and values when they understand is how their students apply to everyday life and when they can appreciate their progress in concrete and relevant areas. student and provide them with continuous feedback on their performance, giving them the opportunity to identify areas for improvement and develop their skills progressively. Okay. Through the competency based in assessment, we access the first effective communication, number two problem solving, number three teamwork, number four critical thinking, number five adaptability and flexibility, number six leadership and management, y definish ethical decision making. Okay. Eh, in, in the other hand, in the other aspect, competency based assessment, which is aligned with the principles of sustainable development, takes on an even deeper and more relevant dimension. This approach seeks not only to access the theoretical knowledge, but also to access a student ability to apply the knowledge in solving real and complex problems related to sustainability. Sustainable develop while SDG for focuses on encouraging quality, inclusive and equitable education, fostering lifelong learning opportunities for all. Competency-based assessment seeks to measure students' ability to apply their knowledge in real situation and communicate effectively. In develop of language skill, competency-based assessment focuses on activities such as oral presentation, debates, interviews, activities listening, role plays, conflict resolution workshops, writing summaries, and essays, among others. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, college. See you soon. See you soon. Goodbye.